What's up, guys? Wesley here with another video. This time I'm actually gonna be working on both of my car and my friend's car. Her Volt won't move back or forward. You put on drive, you put on reverse, it just doesn't move. So because of that, instead of trying to fix it, she actually bought a new car. So her headlights assembly is actually looking better than mine. And here, I'll show you. That's my headlights. As you can see, it's very faded. Now that's her headlights, looking much better. So instead of letting it go to junkyard, I'm gonna exchange them. I'm gonna replace my headlights with those. Have I done this before? No. This is my first time. Yes, my first time. And is it gonna be any easy, or am I gonna be able to get it done? Hopefully. We'll find out. For that, I'm gonna leave the camera running while I do my thing. Thanks for tuning in, and let's see what's up. Haha. Looking good, looking good. One from my own Volt. As you can see, look how faded they are. They are very, very faded. If I were to compare to these, look at that. Look at the difference. Oh, it's gonna look so good on my car. Oh yeah. Thank you, Iris. Thank you, thank you. You're such a dear, good friend. But that's how the Volt looks with the bumper down. Alright, so now let's get started on my car. Let's see. This right here should be a good angle. Alright, so let me give you a bit of details here. You have to remove these, that one, this one, here, here, here. That one's already missing. Here, and here to remove this plastic cover. That's step one. So let's jump into that. Okay, so once you remove the plastic cover, you're gonna find two more of these. One here, one here. And then you're gonna find these star screws that you have to remove. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the next step. Okay, so got these screws removed. So now we're gonna make sure to remove this guy here. Okay, place it here for now. The next steps would be removing these 4 screws. And of course, to do that you have to turn the car and turn the wheel to the right, and the same thing on the other side, turn the wheel to the left. So these are the next steps. Okay, so as you can see, the 4 screws have been removed. Now the next step would be to remove the screws that are underneath there's one here, and then you just move along and moving all of the 7mm screws that you see underneath. Yeah, see? All of those. Remove them all. And that's it. And then you'll be able to remove the bumper to get to the headlight assembly. Alright, next step is to just pull on the side, pull it towards you, and then you can start removing your front bumper. You might need to use a flat screwdriver. One more. There we go. One more. 3. Alright. Same thing on the other side. right. Now that you got the bumper, out of the way, let me show you the 4 screws they're gonna have to remove in order to remove the headlight assembly. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's begin looking on the right headlight assembly. So you got one here, you got 2 here, which is under this plastic, which you can just pull, which I'll pull it in a moment, but look, it's under here, see? Right there. And then you got 1, so that's 1, 2, 3, and the last one, and that's why we have to remove the bumper for both of these. The one down here, it's right there, 1, the 2 over here, the second one, and the 2 on the top. And that's why we have to remove the bumper to get to them. Easy peasy, once it's out of the way. And same thing with the left one here, the one here, which is under there, the third one here, and then the one over there. All right, faded headlight assembly. Thank you for all your time, but it's time for you to go. Thank you for being here, but now I got a better looking one. Oh yeah, that's gonna make my car look much nicer. Ooh, look at these big bugs. Wow. Oh, that's looks like a bee. 2 of them. But other than that, everything's looking good. Whoever had this car prior me took good care of it. Everything is looking good back here. Nice. The engine looks good. Alright, so let's get them removed so I can put everything back in place and do my workout of the day, because I still gotta work out today. Yeah, I've been 1.5 months without working out, and I have been seeing changes in my body that I do not like. So I gotta get back on working out. Today will be my my 3rd day working out. But let's get these headlights out of here. All right, so it's out of here. But now it's time to remove my own. I have a very nice LED in there. Even has a fan to cool it off. That's pretty cool. So of course I want to make sure that it's out. It even has its own little bus piece. Gotta use 2 hands here. Let's see. Go. So So my nice LED is out. Now I can place on the better headlight assembly. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. So I'll leave this here for now because that's where it's gonna go. As you can see, this is much more dustier than mine, so I'm gonna clean a bit before I actually place it in position or put it in place where it goes. Alright, so let's now connect my LED. Might as well do this out here where it's not tight, because once this is in place in there, it's so tight to get this done and it's annoying. So might as well take advantage that everything's out here, and it makes it much easier. That's a good spot right there. Then you can place the light. Assuming you can see pretty good, which I'm hoping you can. Got in position there, just twist. Ta-da! And there we go. Then that's it. So now put the cap on. And it's ready. Beautiful. What a beautiful day. All right. All right, number 2 out. Let's get our my LED out of here. Very good. G. Okay. Wow, look at the difference. Man. That's what the Florida sun does to your car. Where I live now, it's actually it's not a house, but the apartment complex has a nice big 5-floor garage, so my car is not gonna be under the sun as much as it used to, which is gonna be great, which means this newer and nicer headlights is gonna last longer, looking good. It's not gonna be fading as fast. Which I'm glad, because not just for the looks of the car, but at nighttime, even though I have LED and it's supposed to be really bright, when the assembly of the headlights fades like that, even though you might be able to go to a car shop and they would do whatever they do to make that fading go away, it always comes back. So I basically done it one time, but after 1 year or so, it got faded again, and when it fades again, it's even worse than before. So instead of spending money and doing that, you either buy newer headlight assemblies or find used ones, which in my case I got lucky. My friend bought a new car. She's selling this one to the junkyard, so might as well I have this newer headlights assembly. Thank you, Iris, once again for giving it to me. So nice of you. For letting me exchange these, because now my car is gonna look basically a bit newer automatically by replacing this. But not only that, my LEDs, it's gonna look so much nicer now when I'm driving at night. Now I'm excited to drive tonight. Too bad I didn't have a video of before and after, but I can always show you how it's gonna be now moving forward. Okay, so that's pretty clean. Let's get this open. Let's clean about here a little bit. All right. Let's replace these bad boys. good. It's in there. Nice. Oh, in case you're wondering what kind of LED it takes, it's the 9012, or also known as HIR2. I can always leave the link from Amazon, that's where I got it from. If it doesn't turn on, then you just have to switch sides, but whatever side I got this on, I do hope it turns on right away so I don't have to get in there again and change the position of the wiring, because it goes in both ways, like this or like that. Well, hopefully it's the right side. If not, I'm just gonna have to reopen again and change the position. Oops, forgot this side. Make sure you reconnect the wire, the main wire that goes here. Make sure you hear the clicking noise. Before I even put everything back on, I'm going to turn the lights on to make sure that both LEDs are turning on. They are turning on. Woo. Lucky guess. That's the easy part, okay? So we got the headlights back on, and well, we got them exchanged and we got them in place. So now we're gonna put the bumper back in place. Now, is it gonna be an easy task? I don't know, I never done this before. I'm hoping you will. That was it. Turned out to be super easy. So now I'm gonna just put the screws back on. That's what's basically gonna take a bit, or that's what the long time of this labor, I guess. That's where most of your time will be, putting the screws on the bottom back on. But other than that, it should be a very quick step to do what we just did. What I just did. What we just did. You guys are watching, so thank you. So now that we got it back in place, kinda, you wanna start the same way that you begun. So put everything back the way you started taking out or taking it apart. So I'm gonna start with these. There you go, just give it a punch. That's back. Same thing on the other side. Nice. So we got those pieces back on, and now we're just gonna start putting the screws back on. Where is my friend here to help me? Now it's time to put the clippers back on. To put the clippers on, you have to pull the top, and then inside it becomes tight, and then you push, or you can use the bottom of the screwdriver and just hit it. It's the other way around, it's like this. So here's what we do. Here's what you do, okay? Put the screwdriver in there, turn it. It comes up, you pull it more, and that's it. And then you push using the screwdriver, pushing in the metal in there, and then later you push the top piece back on, and then it locks. All right, guys. Damn. Bit of work, but it's worth it. Look at that. Looking good, looking good. Ooh la la, what a difference. Love it. Again, Iris, thank you. You rock. Look at that. That looks nice. Very good. I also removed this piece. I don't like this. It made the car look ugly. That's just a touch, tiny touch at the bottom here. Let's see. At the bottom there, see? Now it's gone. I don't need that. It's looking good now. Yeah. But that's it, guys. So now I gotta jump on this guy. Gotta jump on this guy and make it look like nothing happened. Alright, so let's get started. Okay guys, so that's it. Mission complete. Looking good, looking good. Well, looking good as in put back together, because mine is looking good. Thank you, Dark Gray Volt, for your headlight assembly. Thank you. And of course, thank you, Iris, for the third or fourth time that I mentioned here. Thank you, you are the best. Thanks so much for letting me have this and making sure that I will make good use of your headlights, that's for sure. But it's about to rain here, most likely, so I'm glad I just ended this in time before it starts pouring. Time to work out now. Thank you for ending or watching till the end, if you did, and appreciate you, all of you, all of my followers, all of the likes. And if you're not subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe, because in my channel I'm always uploading a bit of everything. My channel is not about a single thing, it's about many things, just as you saw here today. Me doing this bit of experiment, changing the headlight assemblies from one volt to another. Mine is a 2011, the other one is a 2014, and awesome. I'm glad it worked out. I thought it was gonna be a very pain in my butt, but it wasn't. Thank you for those YouTubers that actually have made a video about taking the front bumper apart. Thank you for those videos that I have seen. I was able to get it done myself, easy peasy. So appreciate that, and I appreciate all of you who has followed me, who has subscribed me to my channel. Feel free to follow me on my Instagram. I'm always posting something dynamic there as well. Something random. And that's it for now. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video.